In a crowded marketplace, customer experience is the ultimate differentiator. By harnessing the power of customer support stats, you gain valuable insights to refine your support strategy and gain a competitive edge. But with so many stats out there, it's hard to keep track of what's important and what's not. The trick is figuring out which ones actually matter for your business goals. Whether it's response times or satisfaction ratings, each has its role in shaping the success of your business. Let's discover how to unlock valuable insights from customer and agent metrics to elevate your customer support. Before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about why tracking customer support stats actually matters. Know what works and what sucks. These metrics show you what's keeping customers happy and where things might need a tune-up. Makes it easier to make decisions that rock. Get inside your customers' heads. Numbers tell stories. By understanding what your customers dig and what they don't, you can tailor your approach to keep them smiling. Level up your team. Think of it as a player performance review, but for your customer support crew. By seeing how your team is doing, you can identify areas where everyone can shine even brighter and make the whole experience smoother. Stay ahead of the game. The market's always changing, but you can unlock smooth sailing in customer support with these metrics. It's like having a cheat code for business success. Alright, now that we are on the same page about these metrics, let's get into the nitty-gritty of these customer support stats. Customer metrics. Lighting the path to success. Step into the heart of your business, your customers. As Fred Richards states in The Loyalty Effect, customer satisfaction isn't just a goal. It's a compass guiding you to sustainable growth. Explore these metrics to unlock valuable insights and forge lasting connections. CSAT serves as your direct line to understanding customer happiness. By asking the simple question, how satisfied are you? You receive tangible feedback that allows you to gauge the effectiveness of your products or services. A high CSAT score indicates delighted customers, while a low score signals there are areas for improvement. As the gold standard of customer loyalty matrix, NPS measures the likelihood of customers recommending your business to others. A high NPS indicates strong customer advocacy and a loyal customer base, which translates into organic growth and increased revenue opportunities. CES helps you see how easy it is for customers to reach your support team and get the assistance they need. Whether it's resolving an issue or seeking guidance, a low CES score indicates a smooth, frictionless experience, while a high score suggests potential barriers hindering customer satisfaction. Agent Matrix. Empowering your heroes. Now, let's talk about your frontline warriors, your agents. These people are the face of your brand, tirelessly working to ensure customer satisfaction. As they navigate the challenges of customer interactions, these two critical metrics serve as their guiding stars. This tracks how fast your team is at solving customer issues. Customers always feel valued when you value their time. By minimizing response times, you not only meet customer expectations for fast resolution, but also foster a reputation for reliability and responsiveness in the market. Average handling time reflects the efficiency of your support agents in resolving customer concerns. A lower average handling time signifies that agents are adept at addressing issues swiftly and effectively, maximizing productivity and minimizing customer wait times. Teams, where the magic happens. Now, let's step back and appreciate the broader canvas painted by these team-level metrics. They're not just numbers, they're the heartbeat of your organization's success story. The resolution rate basically means how many customer problems your team crushes within a certain time frame. A high score here means your crew has the wits and tools to tackle most issues head-on. By focusing on boosting these rates, you show your customers that you care about solving their problem for real, which keeps them happy and coming back for more. Waiting time refers to the amount of time customers spend in queues waiting. Nobody likes to be on hold forever, right? Short wait times show your customers you respect their time and want to help them ASAP. Think of it like this. By streamlining your calls, keeping an eye on things in real time, and letting people know what's happening so that they don't feel like they're left hanging. This keeps holding time down and makes the whole experience smooth sailing. Forget fancy jargon and listen up. These stats tell you what's working and what's not, so you can keep your customers happy. In 2024, it's all about understanding your customers, empowering your agents, and building high-performing teams. Here at WPManageNinja, we're crushing it with a Net Promoter Score of 85, slashed our response times by a whopping 40%, and got our resolution rate skyrocketing to a crazy good 90%. These numbers aren't just bragging rights, they're proof that we're serious about being the best. See how each stat tells a story? A high NPS means your customers love you, fast response times show respect for their time, and a stellar resolution rate proves you get things done. This isn't magic. It's the power of tracking and improving every step of the customer journey. Remember, customer support is not just a job. It's a mission to make people happy. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your customer support in 2024?